Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Brew in CentOS7. Brew is a package management system which allows us to install a lot of packages on a very easy way. This applies for Mac OS and Linux. First you can go to the brew.sh page, as you can see here, and then you can copy this command. Go to your terminal and see if you have all the requirements in place. Okay, you do need to run this as root, so I'm going to paste it as a regular user. It will prompt me for password. And I'm going to enter to install it. It will take a while. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, it just finished. For the record, I had two problems installing this brew. One for Git update and also for curl. So you can take a look on a couple of previous videos while I fix those issues. Um, on the other topic, I need to run these two commands that is suggesting me in order to add this new brew command to the variable path. So I'm doing that at the moment. And now if I do this, Brew is already installed on my system. Therefore, I can install programs or tools with it. I'm going to install GCC as suggested as well here, so it will take a while. But this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.